Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super cute science lab flask or beaker perler bead things. I will be showing you guys how to make a necklace, a pin, and some earrings. The first thing I'm going to do is actually make my perler bead design, and then I will iron it. And so now after you have it ironed and everything and it has had time to cool down, this is what you should have. With this first orange one here, I'm going to turn it into a pin. So all you will need is your actual perler bead creation, a blank pin and a backing, and some E6000 glue. Mine has broken out of the other end of it, so I'm just trying to use some of this up before I have to throw it away. But anyways, let's just get right into making this. So I took the backing of my pin off of my pin, so I'm going to flip this perler bead creation over, and then I'm going to put some glue onto this backing here. Okay, just like that. If your glue is not busted, then you would put glue on there like normally, but I had to put it on there in a strange way. But anyways, now I'm going to push that down onto there. Just like that, and now you're going to want to let it dry. Depending on the brand of glue you use will determine how long your glue needs to dry, but I'd recommend waiting a few days just to make sure that it is nice and dry. Now for my next project, I will be making the necklace. So to make the necklace, you will need one of your perler bead creations, a jump ring. The one I'm using is 6 millimeters, and some sort of actual necklace piece. So you could use chain or cord, whatever you have. So after I was done ironing this, I just went through and poked a hole in the back so that I can put my jump ring through there, because I would recommend ironing these so that there are no holes left on there, just to make sure it is nice and sturdy and won't fall apart. So I'm going to take my jump ring and open it up just like that. And now I'm going to put it through the hole that I created in my creation. Put that through there just like that. And now I'm going to take my necklace piece here and put it in that jump ring and then close the jump ring up. Just like that, super easy. So now you have this super cute necklace here. And finally, I will be showing you guys how to make these super cute earrings. So the supplies you will need for the earrings are your actual perler bead creation, an earring hook, 2 jump rings, mine are 6 and 4 millimeters, and jewelry pliers to open and close the jump rings. So similarly to my last creation, I poked a hole through the beads after they were done ironing, because then it's way easier to poke holes through there. And I put a hole on this last bead, and for my other earring I put a hole through the opposite last bead. But honestly, I'd recommend putting it through one of these 2 center ones, but it's fine wherever you want to attach it to. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my 4 millimeter jump ring and open it up, and then I'm going to put my earring hook on there and then close my jump ring. And now I'm going to take my 6 millimeter jump ring and open this one up, and then I'm going to put the jump ring through the hole in my creation, just like that. And now I'm going to take my earring hook and put it on my jump ring. Well, the small jump ring that's attached to my earring hook, I'm going to put that jump ring onto the bigger jump ring. and then close it up just like that. Now you have a super cute science beaker earring, and after you make two, you'll have a pair. So that is it for this tutorial. If you like things like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss another video. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a happy Halloween. Thanks for watching.